Welcome to Learn English Now. Helping in the garden.
Good morning, my little gardeners.
Good morning, Grandpa. Good morning. The garden looks so pretty today.
Thank you. The flowers are blooming nicely. Do you want to help me today?
Yes, Grandpa. What are we going to do first?
First, we'll pull out some weeds and loosen the soil.
I love doing that. It feels so nice to work in the garden.
Look here, these are weeds. They take food from the plants.
Oh, so we have to remove them?
Yes, gently. Hold the base and pull slowly so the root comes out.
Like this, Grandpa?
Perfect. You're doing great.
It's a little hard, but fun.
Gardening teaches patience, my dear. Now we'll plant these marigolds and sunflowers.
Wow, they're so bright and pretty. How deep should I dig, Grandpa?
About this much, 1 hand deep. Make sure the roots are covered nicely.
I'll water them after planting.
That's the spirit. Plants grow well when we care for them with love.
Grandpa, should I water every plant?
Yes, but not too much. Just enough to make the soil moist.
The water looks like diamonds in the sunlight.
Haha, yes. Nature is full of small miracles.
The plants must feel happy now.
Indeed, plants love when we care for them.
Wow! Tomatoes. They're turning red.
Yes, they'll be ready to pick in a few days.
Can we eat one now, Grandpa?
Not yet, my girl. Let's wait till they're fully ripe.
Gardening is like magic. Seeds become food.
That's true. It teaches us patience and gratitude. You both worked so well. Time for a short rest.
I love sitting in the garden. It's so peaceful. And it smells so fresh.
The garden gives us fresh air and beauty.
Grandpa, how long have you had this garden?
Since your father was a little boy. He helped me just like you too.
Look, Grandpa. Birds are coming.
Yes, they visit every morning. Let's give them some seeds.
They're so cute and tiny.
They also help the garden by eating insects.
Nature helps itself.
Exactly, everything in nature is connected.
This mango tree is so tall.
I planted it 15 years ago.
That's amazing. It's like your old friend.
Yes, and it gives us sweet fruits every summer.
I want to plant a tree too, Grandpa.
That's a wonderful idea. It's a gift to the earth. The day is ending. Look at the sunset, isn't it beautiful?
Yes, it's so colorful. The garden looks even more lovely now.
You both have done wonderful work today.
Thank you, Grandpa. I learned so much. Me too. Can we help again tomorrow?
Of course, my little gardeners. The garden will always welcome you. Good night, plants. Sleep well and grow strong.
Good night, flowers. You look so beautiful in the moonlight. Good night, Grandpa. See you tomorrow for more gardening.
Good night, my dears. Sweet dreams, and don't forget to dream of flowers and trees.
We will, Grandpa. The garden is our happy place.
Yes, my children. A happy garden makes a happy heart. Gardening teaches love, patience, and care for all living things.